All right, everybody, we're now going to go for a ride in our 1967 Ford Mustang Convertible. Red with a white/beige interior, bucket seats, automatic on the floor. Has a 289, that's right, a V8, not your average old man 6-cylinder. The reason you could depict the 67 versus the 68 was you could always see by the steering wheel. Not only that, you could also tell by the emblem on the driver and passenger fenders. More importantly, you could tell by the VIN number. This one's got very nice power steering. Power braces we'll demonstrate for you now. Does not have power windows, but it does have a nice power top, which is what a lot of people like, especially if you're a cruiser such as myself. Of course, it's an old car, not a fast car, but she still cruises down the road, does what she needs to do. You have your aftermarket retro sound radio, so you can still play your tunes. You got your vents for AC or heat, whatever you would like to use. They even made the dash red to match the color of the car, which is a very nice touch. And yeah, pretty nice little cruiser car we got here at Skyway Classics. If you'd like to see more, please visit skywayclassics.com. Take a look at our YouTube channel, our inventory, and see more nice cars like this one. But anyway, we're gonna get her turned around and put her on the lift. Stay tuned.